from the brain, seeing the beauty through the. You make me a believer.
At Buckland Malls with Carla. Hi, Carla. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Good morning, Carla.
Oh, that sun is horrible.
Why?
What? It isn't. Please.
There's
I don't
Carla.
see it. Oh.
Carla has to pee.
Hi. No, that's why I won't have to pee.
Oh, I love this store so much. Guys, I love this store. I love it. I love the store. I don't know what store it is, but I'll give it a shout out, but I love it. Those are so nice. There's a dog. Oh. These dream catchers are so nice, guys. They have salt lamps too. All kinds of sizes. I love that wolf thing. Oh, it's so cute. Just look at everything. Look at the dream catchers. Look how cute they are. They're only 99 cents. Oh. Oh my gosh. These are so nice. My friend Kristen Provost, go check out her vlog channel. She loves dream catchers, and this will be her her weakness. Just, I love this place. This is like I love it. Oh, look how cute they are. Incense. Look how cute they are. I like that. I don't know what store it is, so. Native Crafts in Buckland Hills Mall. Yes. Yes. It's very nice. Very, very nice. Look at all the paintings.
Medium two small. Yes. Okay, that's it. Yep.
Wait.
27.12.
They sell Australian drinks.
Mm-hmm. You know what? I'll use my card. It's a lot easier than golf.
This is my first time trying Gloria jeans, and I don't know how I feel about it, but it's in Australia from Carla. Carla's right there. She's getting her drinks. It's from Australia. It's really good. Tastes like cookies and cream. Is it cookies and cream?
No, it's a chocolate avalanche.
It's so good. Trust me, it's good, guys. Go here. Have a tree in the mall. Oh, like they have another one over there. I don't know where Carla is. So I'm just gonna sit here near this tree and wait for Carla to walk because she's too busy eating gumballs. Yeah, she's too busy eating gumballs, and I think this person's gonna yell at me because I'm hanging on the tree, but this tree is awesome and I love it. And it's so cute. Look at it. I'm gonna pet it. And this mall is pretty lit. Aeropostale. Oh my god. Hold on, guys. I want to show you. See, this Aeropostale has 60% off of everything and anything. So you literally can get flip-flops for 50 cents because they're $1 there. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Walking Dead. It's not working. Hello. I'm in the arcade, and this is no working. Then you wake up. Gotta make my bed. Anything. Make it amazing. Now nice and fluffy. Put my shoes on. Listen, you gotta take care of that. You done? We are now at Sam's Club.
Hello, Christian's vlog.
Hashtag Christian Kelly Vlogs.
Hashtag no subscribers.
Hello, darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk with you again.
I'm so bored, Christian.
Well, it doesn't look like you need these chocolate muffins either.
Actually, oh my god, I think these are the ones that I got before. Hold up, hold up. Are they chocolate muffins? That was rude. So, we're looking for Christian right now. Where's Christian? I think he went into the fridge. There he is.
Almond with,
Coconut yogurt, roasted almonds, and dark chocolate.
and this one's,
It's key lime yogurt with graham cracker and white chocolate.
can I try both?
Yes.
Okay, I'll try this one first.
I like that one.
Maybe I'll taste both. So what's this one?
That's the key lime yogurt with graham crackers and
Key lime.
white chocolate. Yes.
Carla is sniffing strawberries.
They do. They actually smell
I
good.
told you, they actually have a smell to them. Some strawberries don't.
They're moldy.
No, I think it's just the cold.
There's a
Probably.
Martine. Look. Hold on, there will be some stuff on my freezer.
That's why they smell. Look at that rug.
I want it for my room, but it's too expensive. Ow.
Sorry.
I want to test out the chair.
You want to test out everything? You like a 2-year-old.
A couch. Good night. Bye.
The open sign, and then whenever I'm in my room, I'll put open, and then whenever I'm not in there, I'll put closed. Wait, where's? I have the close sign on like 24 hours a day.
Close.
Oh my god, I want this so bad.
How much is that? Wait, move your hand. Get me a free sample of Fruit Roll-Up.
Or your free app.
Put the number.
But it may not work.
It is gonna work. Give me it.
Wait, alright.
Wait, don't show it. I don't know if it's Skinny Pop or Fruit Roll-Ups. So Carla is laughing her ass off because her membership card is too old. This is what you do to me. I wanted a Fruit Roll-Up.
Oh my god, I can't breathe. That was so funny.
No, it wasn't, Carla.
Calm as a bitch.
I'm gonna go to bed. Guys, it is current day, and I'm sorry. I didn't end the vlog yesterday. I was just really tired from the mall. Carla was being rude for most of the time, but that's okay. And I'm sorry I've been uploading vlogs very, very, very late, like 10, 11 o'clock. But it's just been like my time schedule is so off, and I need to fix that. So this vlog is gonna go up at 5? Yes, 5 like it was before, and I'm gonna start being on schedule again, and I'm sorry guys. So Theodolites, I hope you're dreaming, I hope you're smiling, I hope you're believing, I hope you're doing whatever you can do, because this world has so many opportunities for you guys, and nothing can get in the way if you put your mind to it.
From the brain, seeing the beauty through the